amazing, incredible, fantastic, fabulous, astonishing, extraordinary. Answer, respond. Awful, terrible, abominable, dreadful. Bad, evil, spoiled, imperfect, infamous, dismal. Beautiful, gorgeous, ravishing, dazzling, exquisite, stunning. Begin, initiate, commence, inaugurate. Big, huge, enormous, gigantic, humongous, substantial, mammoth. Break, rupture, fracture, shatter. Calm, serene, peace, tranquil. Come, approach, arrive. Cool, chilly, frosty, icy. Cut, chop, slash, slit. Dangerous, hazardous, risky, precarious. Decide, determine, settle. Definite, certain, positive, obvious. Delicious, savory, tidbit, delectable. Describe, portray, characterize. Destroy, demolish, slay, ruin, raise. Difference, disagreement, inequity, dissimilarity. Dull, boring, uninteresting, monotonous, humdrum, dreary. End, terminate, conclude, cessation. Explain, elaborate, interpret. Fall, drop, descend, topple. Famous, well-known, renowned, eminent, illustrious. Fast, quick, rapid, hasty, snappy, swift. Fat, stout, corpulent, chubby, bulky. Funny, amusing, humorous, droll, hilarious. Get, acquire, obtain, secure, procure, gather. Good, excellent, fine, wonderful, superior, gracious, superb, splendid. Great, worthy, distinguished, grand, considerable, mighty. Happy, pleased, delighted, elated, joyful, ecstatic, jubilant, jaunty. Hate, despise, loathe, abhor, abominate. Have, possess, own, acquire. Help, aid, assist, support, encourage, relieve. Hide, conceal, cover, mask, veil. Idea, thought, concept, notion. Important, necessary, vital, critical, indispensable, valuable, essential. Interesting, fascinating, engaging, spirited, intriguing, gripping, enthralling. Little, tiny, diminutive, exiguous, dinky, cramped. Look, gaze, glance, peek, glimpse, stare, leer. Love, like, admire, fancy, care for, adore. Make, create, originate, invent, construct, manufacture, produce, compose. Move, plod, creep, crawl, drag, toddle, shuffle, trot, lumber, meander. Neat, orderly, tidy, trim, natty, smart, elegant. New, unique, modern, current, recent. Old, feeble, ancient, aged, veteran, mature, primitive, stale. Place, draw, map, diagram, procedure, method, blueprint. Show, display, exhibit, indicate, reveal, demonstrate. Tell, disclose, reveal, expose, narrate, inform, divulge. Use, employ, exhaust, spend. Wrong, incorrect, inaccurate, mistaken, erroneous, improper, unsuitable.